Guess who decided to join me? We got what colors over here? And then my daughter on this side. And today we're gonna do the bamboozle challenge. We ordered this from Amazon. I ordered it along with the Harry Potter Birdie Bots every flavor beans. And let me open this. Let me open this sucker. We're gonna do the bamboozled challenge. And it comes with 20 beans. 20 beans, 10 weird flavors, and 10 wild flavors. We got a bowl over here, so we can put the beans in. Wait, I wasted one. Okay, it's possibly not cookie. Get it, dog, get it. I'll just put the box on the side. We have our beans in the bowl. And I didn't get the one with the spinner, so we're just gonna go off, I guess the box. So we'll start with, I don't know. I might just pick a random one and you can just eat. Okay. Can I go first? Wait a minute.
It's your first idea.
I think we have to put more than one.
There you go, you can eat that.
What color is that?
I don't know.
Show what color?
It was. Why not this one? Show that.
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
What you got? You got dog food.
And you're eating it? Oh, it's the same color.
This can make me.
There you go. You can eat that.
Oh, you're not gonna eat? You're not gonna do the challenge?
How do I do that? Like this.
Oh yeah, I got free.
What you got?
Takes you that long to decipher what you're eating? I think it's dog food.
Took you that long to figure that out.
It doesn't taste that bad.
He chose another one for you.
What's that?
I don't know. Stinky socks are tutti frutti apparently.
Oh my god. I hope this is tutti
Why
frutti.
are you sniffing it? It don't matter.
Tutti frutti. This was the chocolate pudding or dog food that we ate earlier. Ugh! No!
What?
You have very bad taste buds.
Wait.
What? Is it or is it not?
I think it might be sweaty socks.
Sweaty socks or stinky socks?
Stinky socks. No, the crust is kind of sweet. And then when you get to the middle, it's like, ugh.
Were you peeling it?
I think I drank all my drink.
It's good. Next one. You got yours?
My Uncharted.
I'm going to tell what he's eating.
Which one's next, then?
Yeah, go eat that. Go ahead.
Oh my god, what's this?
You go eat that. Go ahead. There you go.
Tim got
Juicy pear or booger? I'm scared. I'm very afraid.
the bubble.
Oh, gross. You got the booger? I like the booger, but oh, oh, oh.
Doggy. She got food. She got
Oh. At first it tastes like chili pepper, but gross. It just tastes gross. Oh.
what else did I eat? Okay, good. What do you want to eat that one? I'll keep that one.
I got
Gotta go closer, man. I don't know. It might be moldy cheese or caramel.
I got mochi.
Which one is that? Is the orange one?
No orange cheese.
This one? Okay. Moldy cheese. Oh. Or caramel corn. Or caramel corn.
Mochi.
You got moldy cheese.
Oh. Ah! Oh god. I can't eat it.
You got the bad one small.
Gross.
What's this?
It's a cute dirty. This is the blue one for mom.
No, close.
Oh god, I hope this is toothpaste.
Oh, I think like toothpaste or very gross. No way. Not that bad.
Got to taste.
I got very blue.
Now you guys screwed with all the other flavors. Good luck.
Oh. What's next? The white one?
Yeah. Check.
You guys ready? Okay.
What is it?
It's supposed to be baby wipes or coconut.
I hope it's coconut. I love coconut. Oh, baby white. Or it doesn't taste that bad.
Good trick.
This one is cologne to me.
Why you breathe chemicals into my face? Go into your dog's face. It's sure he likes it. Oh, let's do not like money.
By the way, this is Lucky Boy. Our doggy. Hi. What did Lucky Boy say? No? How's it, peoples? How's it, people?
Why are you running away?
Okay, what's next?
Green one.
No, oh, the green one?
Yeah.
Is this the last one?
Did you take?
No, the black.
Look at that one. This
Green?
I don't like papers. No.
This is lime peppers or
Clippings or lime.
or lime. I hope it's lime.
It's supposed to be the good one.
Oh, no, it tastes like grass.
Oh, you guys didn't try the orange one either.
We did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Try again.
What was it?
Oh yeah. Peach or bark.
I don't remember you guys saying either.
What is it?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm understanding.
Got peaches.
Peach. Yay, peach.
Shit, back one.
Oh my goodness. This is the black one.
Licorice or stick or skunk spray.
Oh God, I hope it's licorice. I don't like licorice, but I'm hoping that it's licorice.
You need to look at it.
Ah! Ah! No way!
I need you to stick it down, Puppy.
First fight, I could tell. Ugh, gross!
Because
Oh, you lucky. I think we did it all. Oh, what about the butter popcorn? Did you do that?
Nope. I think there's only one in there. Or two, actually.
It's not this one?
Yeah.
Okay. This one has a lot of yellow, so I'm hoping that this is the butter popcorn. But I think the yellow is just tricking me. Okay, this one
I
is...
see a lot of. I saw a lot of salons going on over here.
I have the music.
Or what? What is this?
Rotten egg or buttered
Oh my God.
Rotten eggs.
Ah! No. Gross! Rotten eggs.
You realize that yeast feta owns all of the stuff he ate, whereas he ate every single one.
I have weird kids. Let me try this again. The blue one.
What's good one?
I'm gonna get the pack.
The perfect jelly bean to end with. Toothpaste. Not bad. I think I like the toothpaste the best. You ate toothpaste? Anyway, that was our bamboozled challenge. If you like it, if you like the video, tap the like button down below. Share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe.
Dad, come over here, eat this. What?
Oh, jelly beans! Ready? So again, oh, that was some jelly beans. I can eat this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right
Yeah,
on.
let's sit over there. Go ahead.
Help yourself.
Hey gang, what you guys recording here? Oh, that's some jelly beans. Pretty good. Tastes like Dr. Pepper.
What?
What are you guys eating?
Just jelly bellies.
Well, it's pretty good to me.
It's the bamboozled jelly beans. Right now, you're eating some stinky socks, some rotten eggs, some guar. Oh, gross! Smell it! I can smell it!
This is Dr. Pepper to me.
Smells wretched to me.
There's a lot of brown, black beans in that one.
Oh my God!
Oh look, I know she did the hard part of one too. You got jelly beans too?
He's eating like 3 boxes of jelly beans.
Well, to be fair, you guys ate most of the other.
Okay. So he's eating like 2 boxes.
Some more? More?
You want something to drink?
Oh.
Get your own cup. This is my uncharted cup.
How you open this thing?
It actually tastes good.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, it was gross. It was.
Oh.
Oh, you know what? Oh, I just saw.
You're eating lawn clippings and dog food and moldy cheese and skunk ass.
Tastes like that jelly bean jar, you know, one that we buy at
Don't
Costco.
talk.
It tastes so good.
Don't talk. I can't
me
smell
this.
that.
Mm.
And natural flavorings of that smell. What?
You want to try a box of Birdie Box?
Alright, you guys better take what you can eat
You
now
want to
before
try
bed.
a box of Birdie Box?
You want one? You want a whole box to yourself? Okay, go ahead.
Can't see what's in it.
Banana, black pepper, blueberry, booger, candy floss, cherry, cinnamon, dirt, earthworm, earwax, grass, green apple, marshmallow, rotten egg, sausage, lemon, soap, tutti frutti, vomit, and watermelon.
Oh, gross. Vomit.
There you go.
Oh, cool. More jelly beans. I like jelly beans. It's not so bad. Is this the one everybody talk about? Say the thing is nasty?
Yeah, gross.
You wanna see all the
You guys
stuff
just
Mom
did the
picked
test
up?
on this stuff?
Yeah, the challenge.
Oh yeah?
The taste test.
I don't think it's like Dr. Pepper to me, so it ain't bothering me, no.
Dr. Pepper. No, it doesn't. It smells horrendous.
It does?
Yeah, like puke.
I don't know. I like it.
I can every time you talk, I'm like, oh my god.
How many boxes are this big one? This bowl is full.
3.
Wow, plus I ate this one box. That's 4.
No, that's 3.
What?
Because we ate
Mom put in 2. You
Or
guys ate
3.5.
And
I got some rubbish.
Taste the birdie box. The birdie beans.
yeah, that might feel
The Harry Potter birdie beans.
You guys supposed to do a test on this one? Yeah.
Wait, the lining.
Oh,
Take a sip.
not super.
Yeah, gross, don't do that.
I'm gonna go closer. I think you're gonna eat the camera.
Now it tastes like licorice.
Licorice is good.
I love
What
licorice.
happened to your box?
Oh, I don't like licorice. Huh?
You don't wanna try? Here,
What?
try.
My box.
And this is the Harry Potter one? The
Yeah,
one from the movie? I heard this
Yeah.
is nasty too.
but they got some. Well, Reese and some box.
Oh, go one box. Oh, go one more box.
I'm scared.
Check it up. Check it up. Check it up. Check it up. Check it up.
Wala ka ma. Ay, baka hindi.
Right there. Grab that one at the top.
No,
This is
that
like-
could be barf.
No, just grab it.
Anybody ever remember that violence mint?
Huh.
That's what this one tastes like.
Well, you have a chance of it being earthworm, but other than that, it's either cinnamon, cherry, or candy floss.
This tastes like violet mint. No, the old man mint from a long time ago. It tastes so good.
Every time you talk, you're breathing on me.
Oh, I don't know. I just
Even the dog is dying.
Oh, Baba. Mama, homeboy. Ayos.
This is this color. Oh, it's pink.
Yeah, so it's candy floss, more coffee cherry, more cinnamon. But I think it's candy floss.
I don't know. Oh, candy floss is good.
Uh, can't be as bad as what's in his mouth.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What you eating?
Candy floss, but
I'm short.
pink
I believe
strawberry.
that what he got is the possibility of being earthworm. Here you
A what?
go. Earthworm.
You eat, Jim.
Earthworm.
Earthworms?
He dropped earthworm Jim.
Earthworm Jim went back to the ground.
You wait till the jelly bean. Oh, not so bad. How come everybody said the thing tastes awful? That was 4 boxes? Not so bad. It tastes like Dr. Pepper, and then the bread box tastes like violet mints. I don't know if you guys ever heard of those. But it's an old man. It's in a purple foil. It's in like a purple silver
So-
foil.
Old school candy
Yeah, aluminum foil kind of wrap.
called is it violet mint? Is that what they call it?
I think so. I have some stuck in my teeth. Mmm.
No,
Save it a
violet
flavor.
gumdrops.
Save that for living night stack. The one stuck in my teeth. That was good. Well, sorry for barging in. Thanks for the goodies. Off to go eat some real food. Catch you guys later.
That's it for now. If you like, tap that like button down below. Share your thoughts. If you enjoyed, subscribe, and take care. See you later. Aloha!